Hi friends, greetings from Kingsley the trainer. Hope you're all doing good. In this video, I'm going to help you with task 1 of writing and specifically to a process diagram. So we all know how a process works, right? So for anything and everything in this world which is being manufactured or produced, there is a process. So there is a diagram given with the process explaining the steps involved in the process, and we are going to see how to define these steps one by one and make the reader understand as to how the process is being done. Come join with me. So here you see a diagram. You find a tree, you find a sawmill, the chips, the wood being sent to the timber merchant, the pulping process, larger chips being removed, the washing, and then you have the bleaching process and the drying, and then the storage process and the delivery to the retailer. So what we understand from this is that the trees are being cut and sent to the sawmill, and the wood is being sent to the timber merchant, and then the pulping process happens. So let's understand the question and try to answer it. So the process diagram shows how wooden sheets are manufactured. Summarize the process and write about 150 words. So we have to write a summary about the process. So the process diagram shows how wooden sheets are manufactured, right from cutting and from the tree until the final work is done. So this is how I write the introduction, and the process helps us to understand that how the wood from the trees are cut and sent to the sawmill. From the sawmill, it is being cut into sheets and sent to the pulping process, and it is cleaned thoroughly and the larger chips are being removed completely. Now moving on to body paragraph 2, the next process is a bleaching process wherein the impurities are being removed completely, and then the drying of the sheets happens. Then the sheets are rolled and sent for the storage process, and finally it is being sent again to the retailer for sale. This is how different plywood sheets and wooden sheets are being manufactured, and this is a process involved. So I've written about 150 words and totally, and this is how you have to understand and write it on the day of the examination. And this is a very simple question. I'm also going to help you with one more process wherein how cement is being manufactured and how concrete is also being manufactured. So you're spending about 20 minutes on this task. So let me leave the question for you. The diagram illustrates a process that is used to manufacture cement for the building industry. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Write at least 150 words. So here you have two diagrams. You find the cement production. You have different things involved in that: the limestone, the clay, the crusher, powder, rotating things, and you have different things given there. And then the concrete production, which happens with different percentage of cement, water, sand and gravel and concrete mixture mixed together. So now I'm going to explain to you about this. So there are two diagrams showing industrial processes. The first shows the production of cement, while the second shows the production of concrete. It is apparent from the beginning of the second picture that cement is used in the production of concrete, and so these images are linked as part of one longer process to make concrete from a number of different materials. So in the diagram showing cement production, limestone and clay are tipped into a crusher until they become powder. This powder is then fed into a mixture and then into a rotating heater. The resulting material is ground into cement, which is then bagged into larger sacks. And the final paragraph, these bags of cement are poured into a concrete mixture with water, gravel and sand. This mixture must be carefully measured according to the percentages on the diagram. The concrete mixture will combine the ingredients by rotating in order to produce concrete. So altogether you have to write 150 words. There's no need to write much of an overview here, but you write the introduction, just rephrasing the question, and then body paragraph 1 and 2. And this is how you describe a process for Ielts writing task 1. And thanks for subscribing to Emmanuel's Hub after watching this video. And please continue to watch videos to improve your speaking, reading, writing and listening skills in English. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.